Joe from Electric Kicks here. And about a year ago, I got to unbox the Aventon Sinch folding e-bike. Well, this week we've just been notified that the Sinch.2 is now on its way down under. So let's talk about what we're expecting to see on the Sinch.2 and how it differs from the original version. The original Sinch came with a cadence sensor. The new Sinch comes with a torque sensor like the rest of the Aventon range. A torque sensor helps improve your battery range, but more importantly, gives you a more fluid and dynamic riding experience. As you can see, on the original Sinch, there is no lighting. The Sinch.2 comes with lights now. It has a fantastic headlight on the front, and it has brake lights on the rear and integrated indicators. It also comes with a brand new display to accommodate those features. In the Sinch.2, they've now done away with the old green and red, and they have two new colours, Quicksilver and Sapphire. On top of this, the new model comes with front and rear fenders and a rear rack, whereas the original model, you had to purchase them separately as accessories. So we've talked about what's new, let's talk about what's the same. We've still got the 20 by 4 inch fantastic tyres. We still have 5 levels of power assistance, and most importantly, we still have the great folding mechanism, allowing you to fold this bike down and pack it away as small as possible. The original Sinch was fantastic, but the new Sinch is even better. So make sure you go to electrickicks.com.au and order yours today.